Dearest heart, someone has come to stand with you. They know someone special in your family or close relationship is plotting against you. He or she is plotting to bind your resources and damage your physical, mental, and spiritual health. They know it's dangerous for you as it may cause a sudden illness without any reason, a sudden accident, a great mental chaos, and a huge spiritual downfall. So they have come to protect you from unseen dangers and guide you toward your highest good. My child, you only need to empower your soul and allow them to support you. No, for most of the people, they are the most powerful force of the universe, the Kalbhairav himself, who has taken your back and are destroying your hidden enemies. My child, here it is important to note your hidden enemies are not only those who are plotting against you, but also your inner doubts, fears, anger, ego, and your tendency to live between past and future. They want to destroy all the illusions inside and outside and guide you on your higher path. My child, we know you are wondering why only he. So we want you to know that he is the Lord of the city of Kashi. And in Tantra, Kashi is recognized as third eye chakra, which is located between the eyebrows. You are also working on your growth tattva placed at the third eye chakra. Besides this, he is the one who is neither yesterday nor tomorrow. He is the ever present now. And when the realization or the total awareness of the present moment comes, our third eye chakra gets activated, which leads us to the deepest state of samadhi or meditation, ultimately awakening our Guru Tattva. My child, so now, as you have understood that it's all to keep you safe and awaken your Guru Tattva, it is needed for you to leave your fears of yesterday and tomorrow and consciously choose to live in now moment. Again, if something or someone is coming, let it come. If something or someone is leaving, let it leave. If something or someone is bothering your heart and mind, just don't try to escape. Instead, say thanks to them and try to live in your now moment. My child, remember, if we say bold shifts require soft rituals, it means You don't need to push or bound yourself to get any specific result or desired outcome. You just need to remain tranquil or stay effortless. It's the key to the Guru Tattva you are seeking. So, just be aware of your own inner environment. Acknowledge your own progress and claim your Bhaira or Bhari power to awaken your true power or the sixth element of your body, the Guru Tattva. By the way, there is no need to think about external enemies as they are being resolved without your knowing. With infinite love, thank you.